Well, guys, I'm about to do a target video real quick for you guys. As you can see, where I'm putting the cameras right here, the distance between there and there, I don't know how many feet it is, but from here, this is my target right here.
Carbon monoxide alarms provide 10 years of non-stop power, no low battery trips, and the remote link monitor and camera.
It's good distance. Whoa. Alright, so I'm going to put it, rest the camera on here. My Daisy choice is this right here. Daisy, to me, is the best air gun there is. And I'm going to put this to use in action. So, that's pretty good right there. I'll tighten this up. Holds 14 BBs. That's good. Should be ready to go now. Yeah, I hear it. Shit. This isn't a little too close there. Still got room for more. That's pretty sweet.
Call 811. Learn more at ColumbiaGasOhio.com.
Let's hope the maintenance guys don't say anything.
Maintenance guys aren't here.
Not killing nothing.
Security guards might say something though.
Because this is Budweiser.
But who cares?
Doing the hard work, not the easy work.
BB guns are legal. It's not a real gun.
Generations of farmers and brewmasters and a 140-year-old recipe.
Here, you want to see?
It's not a hobby or a fad. It's not a bandwagon beer. Bud has a crisp, smooth taste that doesn't need hiding behind that wedge of
Good BBs. Steel
It's
BBs.
not a fruit cup. And with 12 breweries,
I know the door's open too. That don't help. It's ready to go. That should pop it.
Are important.
Good for that.
Famous Budweiser.
Can't be that bad.
It's not for everyone. It's not backing down. And it hasn't since 1876. Budweiser. This Bud's for you.
Boom! Bullseye.
And Busch Budweiser Beer in Busch, Missouri.
Morning is Steve wrote a joyful status. It's a signature baby. For 3 years, his life during Facebook posts. And 75 comments.
Nice.
Denver, you're one popular gal. Geico also has a comment on your status. Did you know you can save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance in just 15 minutes by switching to Geico? Just the way we're
Alright guys, that's just it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. That's Daisy.
Hashtag get ditch. Hashtag
Daisy pistol
Geico.
at action. Let's see the damage it did. Look at that.
We heard you coming, and you stopped at the right place.
Put a nice
Welcome to
gas
Fort
in there.
Worth.
Damn.
We are the specialists.
I've got to get to the office. Free bagels every Monday morning.
That's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.
Here's the Motorcraft parts, and only